RC Addicts, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got something special. We got another first. It's an RC boat. It's the Udirc Udi005. Let's check out the box art and see what you get on the box. You get obviously the picture of the boat. Udirc, it gives you a few descriptions here, what you got going on. It says multiplayer, self-riding hull design, waterproof. Hope it's waterproof, it's a boat. High-speed sailing, poor signal alarm, low battery alarm, bilateral navigation, rudder design corrects the yaw. Okay, so I'm gonna spin it around and see. So here on this side you've got white. On this side you've got a red. I've yet to see the red boat out there of the Udi005. I've only seen the white one. You see this race on this side. On this side you get a picture of the transmitter. Here it just says Udirc Udi005 boat model, and just some caution disclaimers here. Alright, so sit tight, let's open it up and see what's inside. Alright folks, here we have it, the boat. So upon opening the box, it's nicely packed in there in styrofoam. Everything's tucked away nicely. So make sure when you pull the sleeve out, you look on the bottom side too, because you'll see that's where your, I think it was a transmitter or the charger, something's on the bottom. Anyway, so you slide it out, you see your boat, what you get in the box. You get your 2.4 gigahertz Udirc transmitter, foam steering wheel, and trigger. You got steering trim left, steering trim right, throttle trim left, throttle trim high, throttle trim low, your on-off switch. It's plastic, light, it fits your hand, it works. Let's put it that way. So, well, it should work. It takes 4 AA batteries. And who knows, I might use my radio link on this when we get it out there. So that's your transmitter. You get that. You get a balance charger. Just plugs in through your balance port. It'll take you about, I don't know, 3 to 4 hours probably to charge the included 3S battery. So if you have a hobby grade charger, I recommend using it for this. And the battery comes with these banana plugs here. So this is probably something I will be changing after my first run. Probably put something different on there that I can share with all my other vehicles, so I can use those batteries too. So you get the 2200 milliamp hour 25C 3S LiPo battery. It's Udirc brand, and it came a little puffy already, so I'm going to see if we can correct that. Yeah, so you get the battery, screwdriver, comes with the screwdriver, Allen key, looks like a cross wrench but similar. I don't know what it's for, but we'll find out when we get in there. And a couple of wrenches, open-ended wrenches. You get that. Spare prop. And instruction manuals. Surprisingly well written in English. And well detailed as well. So I urge you guys, everybody, to read this. I will be reading it because I do not know a whole lot about boats, this being my first RC boat. It can't be that much different than ground vehicles, but you know, given the basics. I know the components are going to be different. So let's take a look at what we all came here to see, the boat. Oh, you also get this cool boat stand in there as well. So you can display your boat like this. I like to sit mine on the side so you can get more of a profile, side and top profile. Let it lean in a little bit like it's banking. It's ideally supposed to sit like this on the stand, but I like to show more of a profile like that. Now the boat comes in at about 26 inches from here to here, from the nose to the back of the prop. All right, so let's get in here, take a look, and see what we got with UDRC. Now look at this. It just looks like it's going 100 miles an hour sitting still already, and it's not in the water, not doing anything. Thing looks superbly fast, insanely fast. I've seen a couple of videos, and I can't wait to get it out. I haven't had it out yet, so that's what we're looking at here. Just kind of give you a 360 view. Spin it around here for you. Now I'm curious if they're going to come out with some metal upgrades for these, like the rudder, prop. I'm sure I can find stuff that'll work, but I want to get the right stuff. You got your prop, your rudder, and your fins here. This will help you adjust your plane if you want to go angle nose up or flatten it out. You can adjust that here with these screws. But man, she's a beauty. She is a beauty. Nice race graphics. It's simple, but it's just, the execution was flawless, I think. All right, so let's get inside and see what's going on here. All right, so you got your canopy up here. You got two tabs in the back. You just want to twist those off to the side, lift, pull back. You got a little tab in the front. It slides in there. You have a secondary canopy. Okay. Now under here, you got 4 tabs you have to undo. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Pull that off, and you have your internals. Now this one here really helps the water from getting in there. You can see the seal, the rubber seal around, or foam seal around here, help keep the water out when you go upside down and whatnot. So here we have the inside. From what I understand, this motor is a 3554A. I don't know what the A stands for. I know the 3554 is a size of the motor. 35 being how wide, 54 being how long. It's water cooled. You can see the hoses here. It will pick up from, where's the water pickup? Oh, here. Water picks up here. It's routed through this line. Cools the motor. Comes through, probably looks like it cools the ESC there as well. And is spit out the side here. I think. I could be wrong. But, like I said, first time boat owner. You got your servo for your rudder. Here's your receiver, an ESC. I wonder if I can get that receiver out. That might just stay there, but we'll see. And here's your banana plug connector that I'm going to change to something else. We'll see. But yeah, it comes with one battery, and I've got other batteries with different connectors I'd like to use. Got your little battery tray here. Velcro strap. Battery goes in front to back there. And pretty much that's it. Here's the bottom of the boat. You guys want to see what that looks like. So this is supposed to go about 50 kilometers per hour. What that translates to, I'm thinking about 30-ish, I think, 30 something. Yeah. So features, it's got self-righting, which is awesome because I don't want to go be swimming for this thing when it's 50 yards out there in the lake. You have a low battery warning. It's got some telemetry on it too. So this is awesome for for less than $170. You're getting self-righting, brushless, water cooled, a 3S battery, self-righting, low battery warning. When you're getting too far, it'll even beep at you, let you know you're getting out of signal range. All that. Boat stand, it's waterproof. Come on. And originally, this wasn't my original purchase. I was supposed to be getting the WL Toys 104001, but Banggood kept messing around and delaying, even though I pre-ordered it. I was one of the first people to pre-order mine. Then when I hit the website, and every week I go back, and they said it was gonna come out in the next shipment and never came. So I canceled it, and I got this instead. And I did not get this from Banggood. I got it on eBay for less than it cost on Banggood. So check out eBay, and you'll get it in like a week, not 2 months later. And yeah, so that's the newest addition to the garage. The first UDRC and the first boat. Tell me what you guys think. Hopefully I can get out this weekend. I was supposed to be off Saturday, but I'm clocking some overtime at the shop. So maybe I can get out after work, get this out on the lake, and get you a running video. But yeah, I tell you, for the money, you can't go wrong, I don't think. I haven't run it yet, but I'm sure I'm going to have a blast doing it. And yeah, so speaking of work, I'm going to shut this video down, get in the Subaru, and head that way. So yeah, leave your comments in below. If you got one of these, let me know what you think about it. If you've done anything different, if you found any extra parts, aftermarket parts, or anything like that, let me know down there what you think. If you don't have one, or let me know what you think. If you may get one, if you have a boat, if you don't, what's your favorite boat? Let me know. I just want to say thanks for stopping by the channel. If it's your first time, please don't hesitate to smash that like and subscribe and ring the bell to stay notified. If you want to see more stuff coming your way, there will be. It's slowly trickling out, but it's coming. It's coming. Once again, this is Jeff C. with RC Addicts Garage, signing off, urging you to share the knowledge, keep the hobby alive. God bless. Peace.